Are you tired of compromising your coffee cravings or standing in long coffee shop lines? The Mr. Coffee single-serve Frappe, iced, and hot coffee maker and blender is here to redefine your coffee experience, offering a 3-in-1 function that delivers your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. Let's delve into why this versatile machine deserves a spot in your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why you need the Mr. Coffee single-serve Frappe, iced, and hot coffee maker and blender for a coffee experience beyond the ordinary. Unlock versatility. Brew your favorites your way. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional coffee makers. This multifunctional marvel caters to your every coffee desire, whether you're yearning for a hot cup, a refreshing iced creation, or a frozen frappe. Enjoy the freedom to switch between these options effortlessly, making your coffee experience diverse and delightful. Instant iced coffee gratification. Satisfy cravings in minutes, longing for a chilled, invigorating iced coffee. The Mr. Coffee Maker and Blender bring this desire to life in under 4 minutes. Experience unbeatable convenience and deliciousness without compromising on flavor. It's like having a personal barista at your fingertips, ready to serve up your favorite iced coffee creations whenever you crave them. Precision brewing. Mastering the art of flavor harmony. No more guesswork in brewing. The integrated measuring system ensures the perfect harmony of water, coffee, and ice, guaranteeing consistently rich and unaltered flavors. Elevate your coffee game by achieving the ideal balance, unlocking a new level of coffee enjoyment. Pod-free brewing, sustainable and convenient. Bid farewell to wasteful pods. The single-serve reusable filter accommodates 6, 8, 12, or 16 ounces of bold, hot coffee and a refreshing 22 ounces of iced coffee. Embrace sustainable brewing practices without compromising on taste. Comprehensive coffee making experience. Everything you need. The Mr. Coffee package isn't just a coffee maker, it's a complete experience. With 2 reusable tumblers, lids, and straws, a reusable coffee filter, and a dual-sided coffee scoop, you have everything at your disposal for a comprehensive coffee making adventure. The recipe book included ensures your coffee creations stay exciting and varied. Click the link to elevate your coffee game. Click the link in the description below to explore the full specifications of the Mr. Coffee single-serve Frappe, iced, hot coffee maker, and blender. Say hello to mornings filled with joy, afternoons refreshed with iced delights, and evenings cozied up with the perfect cup right from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.